Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP OfficeJet 5740 printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process, so let's go to our video. First step is check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. Go to any web browser that you like. I am going to the Google Chrome. In a search, type HP OfficeJet 5740 printer driver and hit enter key on your keyboard. Go to the first link, support.hp.com, official website of the HP printer, and here we find our printer name. Open that link. First link is open. Here we find our printer name. Here we find our printer name, and here we find our operating system. If operating system or PT is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit if 32-bit. If Windows 10 64-bit, then select Windows 10 64-bit and click on the update. After that, scroll down and here we find driver product installation software. If it's not expand, then expand it. Here we find the recommended full driver and software. Go to here full driver software and click on the download. It's redirect you to the another web page, and at the top our download is started. Wait for a few seconds to download to complete. Our download is complete in a few seconds. Our download is completed. Go to the downloads, click on show in folder, minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file and we are going to install this setup file. There are two ways. First way is double click on it and install it, and second way is the manual install, and we are going to manual install. This setup file is actually zip file and we are going to unzip it. Right click on it, click on the extract files, click on the OK. Now it is extracted. Wait for a few seconds. Here we find newly extracted folder. Wait for a few seconds to complete this unzip process. It takes few minutes. After that, go to the newly extracted folder or unzip folder, double click on it. Here we find our drivers and we are going to install these drivers. Close it. Next step is install it. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. In a printers and scanner, at the top we find add a printer or scanner. Click on add a printer or scanner. Wait for a few seconds and new options are pop up on our screen. New options are the printer that I want is listed. Click on that. Close it. Here we find add a printer. In add a printer we find many options. Go to the last option, add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Select last option, click on the next. Here we find existing port, most IMP part of this installation. Click at here and select any USB port that you want. USB 0.1, USB 0.2, USB 0.3, USB 0.4. Select any USB port that you want. Select any USB port, click on the next. Click on have disk, click on browse, click on the desktop. Here we find newly extracted folder or unzip folder. Double click on it. Here we find some files. Select any file that you want. Select any file that you want. All file contain same printer driver. Select any file. Click on open. Click on OK. Here we find fax HP OfficeJet 5740 series. You can select HP OfficeJet 5740 if you want, and select HP OfficeJet 5740 series. You can select any printer, first or second. I select second. You can also select the first if you want and click on the next. Here we find our printer name. You can give any printer name that you like. I copy the next. You can change any printer name that you like or add any printer name that you like and click on the next. It is installing our printer and it's take 1 or 2 minutes. It takes few seconds in my case. After that, if you want to share this printer, then select last option. I don't, so I select do not share this printer and click on the next. If you want to print a test page, then click on a printer test page or click on a finish. Next step is check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanners. Wait for a few seconds and after that find our printer name HP OfficeJet 5740 series or whatever printer name that you give is find at this point. That means our printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.